Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to prevent someone from factory resetting your Xbox Series X with a setting. Now this is kind of like a parental control, but this could prevent someone resetting everything on your Xbox and maybe trying to get around specific parental controls. But we can go to Settings and then go to General, go to the right and go to Online Safety and Family. Now go to Family Settings. And then scroll on down to access restrictions. Then you'll have to create a password pin. So you have to press some buttons on the controller and remember how you pressed them in. Then once we have a password pin, we want to go to access restriction options. Then we have options like allow adding and creating new profiles. So we can uncheck mark this and people won't be able to add a profile. Allow removing accounts, allow adding guests, allow console reset is right here. If you uncheck mark this, someone with access to your console won't be able to factory reset it at all. And I believe this applies to if you enter into like the software mode where the PlayStation or the Xbox is offline, the recovery mode as well. And then we have allow changing console locations, allow Edge web browser, allow setting home console, and then delete profile on center. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.